Mỗi ngày một đề IELTS speaking cho các bạn. Hôm nay chúng mình cùng làm một đề Part 1 thuộc bộ đề quý 2 năm 2025, chủ đề là Cooking, nấu ăn. Câu hỏi đầu tiên: Do you have breakfast at home every day?
Not really. Sometimes everyone wakes up late, so we skip breakfast or eat out for change. It depends on the day.
Câu hỏi số 2: Do you want to learn how to cook well?
Yes, I'd love to, but maybe once the kids are older. Right now, I just don't have the time.
Số 3: Do you like cooking?
Yes, I actually do. I like cooking with love and seeing and my family enjoy the food. It feels meaningful.
Cuối cùng, who usually does the cooking in your home?
Most of the time it's me, but sometimes my husband cooks, and my oldest son trying to help with simple things like cooking rice or make noodles. It's nice to see them joining in.